Mohammad Fazlul Azim, born 1945, is a Bangladeshi industrialist, business magnate, and former politician. He is the chairman of Azim Group. Azim Group is deeply rooted in the garment industry. We have been involved in this sector since its inception in Bangladesh in the early 1980s. Our founder, Mohammad Fazlul Azim, brought Azim Group into existence in 1975. Azim Group has 13 garment manufacturing units and 4 backward linkage factories, located in the cities of Dhaka and Chittagong, with over 20,000 people on its payroll. We have well-trained, experienced and vigilante management teams operating from our various offices in Dhaka, Chittagong, Hong Kong, and New York. We are active in other sectors too: engineering, steel and agro. Bangladesh Engineering and Petroleum Services, BEPS, a sister concern of Azim Group, is an engineering consultancy that provides solutions to the gas and energy fields. In 2018, Azim Group started operations on its new steel manufacturing firm, Global Steel and Engineering Limited, GSEL. The necessity of more energy and electricity across Bangladesh inspired us to start our steel project, GSEL, in order to meet the rising demand for electrical towers used in electricity transmission, telecom, and electrical line hardware. We hope to form successful partnerships and create at least 1,000 new jobs. What started as a one-man band has now become an ever-growing organization maintaining smooth business activities and constantly exploring new opportunities. We take great pride in our strengths, which are honesty, sincerity, and dedication.